How to enable or disable ads in the Brave browser? Here's how. First, open the Brave browser on your Windows computer. Click the three-line menu in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu. In the left sidebar, click Shields. At the top, you'll see Trackers and Ads Blocking, which controls how Brave blocks ads. Click the drop-down menu next to Trackers and Ads Blocking. Select Aggressive if you want Brave to block even more ads and trackers. Select Standard if you want the default level of ad and tracker blocking. To allow ads on websites, select Disabled from the drop-down menu. This turns off Brave shields for ads and trackers. To block ads again, simply change the option back to Standard or Aggressive. That's it. You've successfully enabled or disabled ad blocking in the Brave browser. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Brave browser tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.